All right, this is part 2 of the video explaining how to do our panpipe experiment. So I've cut all of my straws to the correct length, so now it's time to move on to step 2. Step 2 says to lay the straws next to each other with the ends lined up. They should be in order from longest to shortest. So I already started and I put my longest straw here, and then I found my next longest straw and I put it right next to it. I'm lining them up at the top. So they'll be different on the bottom, but they should be lined up at the top. Then I'm gonna find my next tallest straw here. I'll line it up like this. Then my next tallest straw, and I'm going to keep going until I get all my straws laid next to each other. Okay, just like this. And straw. I'm going like this. I'm placing my straws on the table to see which one's tallest, which one comes next. I can see this one comes up first. That's just my strategy that I'm using. Okay? All right. And then step number 3 says use a large piece of masking tape. So just use regular tape, any tape that you have at home or tape that you got from me, and we're gonna tape our straws together. Now this part you're gonna need to go pretty slow. So I'm gonna take quite a long piece of tape, not too long, but long enough to go over all of those. I'm gonna make sure all my straws are tightly put together, and then I'm going to slowly just place my tape on top. When I do this, it's going to pick up all of the straws. Maybe I'll rub it a little bit. Remember to be very careful and to go slow. Going fast is probably going to cause you to make a mistake. I'm just flipping it over, and now I'm going to bring the tape around this side too. It won't be perfect, but we don't need perfect, right? We just need our best. Flipping it over, and I'm just wrapping around the tape so that it's taped. At the top, you see it's not perfect, but I tried my best. Now I have this instrument called a panpipe. See how all of the straws are different lengths? Perfect. This is what you're going to use to complete this experiment. You'll turn to the next page and you will start following those directions. It will say that it's time to play your panpipe. You're gonna hold it towards you. This is the part where you put your mouth on and where you're gonna blow on the side of the tape where all of the straws are lined up together. Okay? You'll follow the directions there and answer those questions. Have fun.